Hey gang, welcome back. Today I'm doing an updated video. Just want to show you a little bit about this camera. I did do a full review on, and I just want to do an update. I've had it for about a year now, and absolutely no issues whatsoever. And it works flawlessly. It has night vision, it has the cameras, it has lights, motion sensor, recording, it has an SD card built in inside. Absolutely perfect. You can see how it's mounted right here. The antennas, it works, no issues whatsoever. And it does powered by a solar panel. You can see up there, hopefully you can see it up there. Right there. And that solar panel constantly keeps it charged all the time. There's never any issue whatsoever. So this is what it looks like. I just wanted to give you my yearly update on this camera. Security system, it does move, pan, tilt, and zoom. PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom. That's what this does. So it goes it pans, it tilts, and zooms, and that's fantastic. And I just want to give you a quick update, and this is what it looks like, and the quality is fantastic. And if you saw my other reviews, you know how to put it together, how to use it. And my yearly update says this is definitely a keeper. It works perfectly with no issues whatsoever. So I highly recommend this one more time. Go ahead and get this if you're interested in that kind of camera. I'm getting actually notifications on my watch right now because I'm standing here. It's quite awesome. You get the alerts on your watch, you get your alerts on your phone. Fantastic. Definitely a way to go. Thanks for watching this quick video, and I definitely highly recommend this item for sure.